Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
In this video, we will be removing and reinstalling a washer fluid level sensor in a 2010 Volkswagen GTI. We're going to take these T25s out for the front grille. We're using a T25 socket, extension, and a ratchet. And I'm going to grab underneath the grille and just pull forward. There's little clips underneath. That came out kind of easy. You may have to work at it a little bit. I'm going to pull this panel off. Grab underneath and pull. We have a T25 that goes straight up and down. I'm going to use our T25 socket and extension. Get on it. And there's two more down here. We're going to pull our connector for our fog lights. You're going to push on this little tab here and then pull down. The connector will pull right out. Push down and pull that straight out. And the driver's side is the same. On the driver's side, the wiring harness had a retainer that's attached to the bumper. You're going to pull it straight out. So we're going to take out all these T25s. There's one here, one there, one there, one there, one there, these two, and these two. Now on both sides, I'm going to grab right here and pull out. I'm going to take these last two out. Pull straight forward. Right, to disconnect this coolant level sensor, there's two tabs, one on top, one on the bottom. You're going to push them real hard and then pull straight out. All right, to pull this out, I'm going to use a flat blade tool, get in behind it. Use your fingers and walk it out, back and forth. Pop right out. And there's the level sensor. All right, you want to make sure your rubber grommet is on the washer tank side. Then it'll be easier to install. And then you want to push the sensor in, working it back and forth. And we're going to connect the connector. Just push till it clicks. For ease of installation, it's easier if you have a partner and when taking it off. So you can line it up. Install these two T25s. Now we're going to install these T25s. Next we're going to connect the fog light, well, the marker light. Push that in. Now we're going to connect the fog light. Just push it on until it's locked in. And do the same for the driver's side. All right, we're going to install this last. We're going to install this T25 going up. You're going to push on the fender. You're going to push on the bumper and make sure it lines up while you're tightening it. Put these Torx screws in. Install the cover, put it in up top, push in. Install the grille. And line it up down below. And push, lock it into place. Install these 4 Torx screws.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.